Hello class, welcome back to the study studio. Today we are going to start chapter 3, planning. Now we all know that planning is required in each and every field, whether it is related to your studies, whether it is related to your mother's kitchen or your father's business. Planning is required in each and every profession. So we will discuss that what is the role of planning in business organization. First of all, we will see the meaning. Planning is to collect information for the activities to be undertaken in business, consider them in advance and plan out how to do the activities. Now, what is the basic meaning of planning? Planning means to collect information. First of all, you need to collect the information for what you are planning. Suppose if you are planning to make pani puri today, so you need to collect the information that how it is made, what materials you are required to make it. So planning means first you have to collect all the information for the activities to be undertaken. Here your activity is to make pani puri. Consider them in advance and plan out how to do the activities. And you have to plan out how you will do the activities. You will boil the potatoes, make the water. So you have to plan out each and every activity which is to be required to fulfill your activities. Now definition. Task of planning is choosing. Planning means to choose. To choose how you can do your work in a cheapest and easiest way. Function of planning means assumption for result, policy to follow function, stages and to be decided the method to be followed. Now the basic function of planning is to assumption for result. Result क्या होगा तुम्हारा? Policy to follow the function. What policies you are required to follow to achieve your objective. Stages and to decide the method to be followed. Here stages are the main important point of planning. For example, if you are getting ready for your school, first you will wear all your clothes, then tie. पहले टाई पहन के तुम क्लोथ्स नहीं पहनोगे. सो प्लानिंग में भी स्टेज बाय स्टेज होता है. जैसे हम पहले सॉक्स पहनते हैं, देन शूज़. पहले शूज़ पहन के कोई सॉक्स नहीं पहनेगा. सो हियर ऑल्सो यू हैव टू रिक्वायर to follow each and every steps so that you can fulfill your activity easily. Planning is an intellectual process to achieve goal. I hope definition is clear. Now characteristics. As we have studied about the characteristics of management, in the same way many characteristics are similar. First of all, universal process. How it is universal process? So planning is not only required in business organization but also in each and every field like daily life, politics, education, social environment. So planning is required in each and every field, not only in business organization. That is why it is known as universal process. Second, primary function. Why it is primary function? Because all other functions are based on it. Earlier we have studied the function organizing, controlling, directing, staffing. All these functions depends upon planning. So planning is known as primary function. Conscious and mental process. It is not an easy process. ऐसे ही कुछ भी सोच के planning नहीं करनी पड़ती है. It is a mental process. It requires deep thinking so that your plan becomes successful. So it is a mental as well as conscious process. Flexibility. How it is flexible? First of all, if you are making any plan, you don't have to rigidly follow that plan or strictly that plan. If you require or if you think that changes are mandatory, you can make changes. So we can say here that planning is flexible. That means we can make changes according to the circumstances if need arises. Precise. Precise means exact. Planning means exact forecast. Precisely you have to think about the future. Planning is for future. So precise means exact study should be made regarding the future so that planning in future makes the successful your activities. Forecasting is essential. Forecasting means thinking about future, considering the future uncertainty and each and everything regarding the future. So इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग यू हैव टू फॉरकास्ट सो दैट अगर फ्यूचर में कोई अनसर्टेनिटी है तो तुम अभी से उसको क्योर कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, इफ़ तुम्हें लग रहा है कि फ्यूचर में 5 ईयर प्लान्स में कोई चेंजेस आने वाला है, इंटरेस्ट रेट में कोई चेंजेस आएगा या कुछ भी कोई चेंजेस कि तुम्हें ऐसा लग रहा है कि दैट अनसर्टेनिटी ये क्रिएट हो सकती है, सो यू कैन थिंक बिफोर यू आर प्लानिंग. तुम पहले प्लान करने से पहले ये सारी चीज़ें देखोगे जिससे तुम्हारा आगे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्लानिंग का ईजी हो सकता है. लिस्ट ऑफ अल्टरनेटिव्स. नाउ इन बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कोई एक प्लान नहीं होता है. देर आर लिस्ट ऑफ अल्टरनेटिव्स एंड फ्रॉम विच यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द बेस्ट प्लान. बहुत सारे प्लान्स बनाए जाते हैं जिससे जो बेस्ट होता है वो सिलेक्ट किया जाता है. सो देर आर लिस्ट ऑफ अल्टरनेटिव्स एंड यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द बेस्ट प्लान विच इज़ सूटेबल टू योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Concern with future. As we all know, planning needs forecasting, precise study, as well as it is concerned with future, not the present. We are planning about the future, how our business will grow. So it is totally concerned with future. We have to think about future deeply, precisely, so that we can fulfill our plan. Continuous process. ऐसा नहीं है यहाँ पे कि एक प्लान ख़त्म हुआ तो यहाँ पे प्रोसेस स्टॉप हो जाती है. इफ़ वी आर कंप्लीटिंग विथ वन प्लान वी हैव टू फॉलो अदर्स, सो इट इज़ अ कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस. वन बाय वन वी हैव टू फॉलो द प्लान्स so that we can accomplish our objectives easily. So we can say that it is a continuous process. Objective oriented activity. प्लानिंग के लिए सबसे पहले ऑब्जेक्टिव चाहिए. इफ़ देयर विल बी ऑब्जेक्टिव it will be easy to make plan and achieve it. So it is objective oriented. If there will be objective then and then only there will be a plan. So it based upon objective. What is your objective? According to that you can make the plan. Requires decision process. Planning is very much conscious and important process of the management. So it require decision process. एक भी decision यहाँ से वहाँ नहीं हो जाना चाहिए. सो यू नीड एक्सपर्ट्स टू मेक द डिसीजंस सो दैट योर प्लान्स बिकम्स एग्जैक्ट एंड they become fruitful for your organization. Once again we repeat the characteristics. It is a universal process, that means each and every field it is followed. Primary function, that means all the other activities, other functions are dependent upon planning. Conscious and mental process, which means it requires deep thinking. Flexibility, that means it is not strict. Precise means exact study. Forecasting is essential. Forecasting for what? For future uncertainties. List of alternatives. Why? If one plan becomes unsuccessful, we can follow the other plan, or we have to choose which best plan we can follow to accomplish our objective in a best way. Concerned with future, as it is for future, it is totally concerned with future. Continuous process. Why? Because we are not stopping after completing a plan. We are continuing with our business activities one by one, so we can say it is a continuous process. Objective oriented activity, as it is based upon a objective. And last, required decision process. Now its importance. We can also convert the characteristics into importance by writing it is useful in this, it is useful in this, it is useful, it is flexible, it is useful in precise study. We can avoid future uncertainties in it. So you can write your characteristics converting it into importance, but you have to frame the sentence correctly. Here we will see what the importance are given in our book. Systematic, all the activities become systematic because we have a plan. For example, in your school you are given with your timetable. तुम वही हिसाब से बुक्स लेके जाते हो. इफ़ टाइम टेबल नहीं दिया होगा तो क्या होगा, तुम कोई भी बुक लेके जाओगे, कोई भी टीचर आएंगे, वो क्योस क्रिएट हो जाएगा. तो तुम्हें पहले से शेड्यूल दिया जाता है, उसे प्लान करके दिया गया है. सो योर डे बिकम सिस्टमेटिक. यहाँ पे वैसे ही बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में सिस्टमेटिक वे से सारी एक्टिविटीज़ हो, उसके लिए प्लानिंग इज़ एसेंशियल. ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्स. मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइजेशन होगा, वेस्टेज कम से कम होगा इफ़ हमारे पास प्रॉपर प्लानिंग है. हमें पता रहेगा हमारे पास कितने मटेरियल्स हैं, हमें किसको कहाँ यूज़ करना है. सो Planning reduces the wastage, or we can say it is useful for the optimum utilization of resources. Reduces future uncertainty. Why it reduces future uncertainties? Because we are doing the forecasting well in advance. Then precision, that means exact study, that accomplishment of objective. Because of planning, accomplishment of objective becomes easy, right? Because of planning we can reach our goals easily and in a best way. Smoothness in other managerial function. Other managerial function like organizing, directing, staffing, controlling, reporting, budgeting, all these functions are becoming easy because of planning, because we know that what we have to do, we are having the plan, so we can control easily, we can direct easily, we can give the guidance to our employees easily, so other functions become easy because of planning. It increase employees cooperation. If we are having the proper planning, employees can also cooperate with each other and they are knowing what work they have to do, so disputes are avoided. Effective control. If you are having planning, then you can control. For example, तुम्हारे टीचर ने तुम्हें कोई एक्टिविटीज़ दी है, उनको पता है तुमसे क्या करवाना है, तो लास्ट में अगर तुम कुछ मिस्टेक करो तो वो तुम्हें कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं क्योंकि उनके पास प्लान है. इफ़ दे आर नॉट हैविंग प्लानिंग तो किसी को भी कैसे भी करना है करते रहो. सो इफेक्टिव कंट्रोल मीन्स इफ़ यू आर हैविंग प्लानिंग यू कैन कंट्रोल अपॉन दैट. तुम्हारे पास प्लान है तो ही तुम कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज यू कैन नॉट कंट्रोल. जो एक्टिविटीज़ जैसी हो रही है तुम्हें पता ही नहीं तुम्हें रिजल्ट क्या चाहिए, तो तुम कंट्रोल कैसे करोगे. सो प्लानिंग इज़ वेरी मच एसेंशियल, and if there is planning you can make effective control, otherwise control becomes difficult. It coordinates various activities. How it coordinates various activities? It example, that if you are having planning or if you are having a proper plan, you can direct your employees that तुम्हें ये काम करना है, तुम्हारी एक्टिविटीज़ ये है, ये डिपार्टमेंट की एक्टिविटीज़ ये रहेगी, दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट की एक्टिविटीज़ ये रहेगी, तो यू कैन ईजिली कोऑर्डिनेट द एक्टिविटीज़. बार बार एक ही एक्टिविटी दो बार नहीं होगी. इट विल अवॉइड द डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ वर्क. सो देर आर लॉट मैनी इंपॉर्टेंस. बुक में इतने ही दिया, यू कैन ऐड योर इम्पॉर्टेंस टू. I hope the characteristics as well as importance along with meaning and definition is clear. In next video, we are going to learn about its limitation and process. Thank you for watching the video.